you guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a requested pre-parting video. Again, I have two, so if you have not watched those, make sure you go back and watch them. So for this video, I'm just going to be adding more rows than the previous videos. So this will fit for like a small or medium if that's how you want to do your boxes. So you're going to have way more braids than your average medium. So that's why I said it can be a medium, because you're just going to add an extra row. So in my previous video, I had 5 rows on each side in the front. This time I'm going to have 6 rows on each side in the front. So that's why you're going to have more braids. So just like the first pre-parting video I did, you'll have your steps. I am going to put the steps on the screen so you know you have your step 1, 2, and 3. And this is just an easy way to visually see what you're doing. So when doing your steps, just make sure you take your time. And if you do mess up, you can always go back and fix it, and you will get faster at it because you're going to have the rows and all that stuff like just already implement in your mind and your brain, and you can just, you'll have like a faster way of doing it. But for now, if you are having a little trouble or you do just want to get the rows out the way, this is just a good pre-parting video to start off with. So with your steps, you're going to make sure you part down the middle first, and then you want to section out your front row, and you have your middle row, and then you have your back row, your nape area. Once you finish sectioning those out, you will start in the front, and you want to complete 6 rows on each side. After you complete your front 6 rows on each side, that's when we want to connect the front rows to the middle. So after we connect all of them together, we'll braid everything away. You will see all your rows completely, and then you will get to the back. The back row, you're going to make either 3 or 4, depending on how big or long their person's nape is, that you can get maybe 4 or 3 back there. So that really depends on your client. But once you have those rows completed, then you'll be all done. With my client, I'm only going to do 3 in the back area. And when it comes to the boxes, now that is when you kind of decide on your own on if you want them to be small, really small, or you want them to be just a little smaller than a medium. So that's just how you decide that. I know I kind of wanted them not to be super small, but I did kind of want them a little smaller than a medium. So you're just going to add more boxes if you want them smaller. So that's just a decision that you will have to make with you and your client. Oh, and one thing, everybody's small, medium, or large might not be how mine might be small, medium, large. So I could be thinking, mine's is more of a small, and people would take that as a medium, or vice versa. So it's kind of how you detect what's small and medium to you. I just wanted to put that out there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this video is helpful. And remember, if you mess up, it's okay. Just go back and fix it to make sure your rows are the same size. And if you guys do enjoy it, make sure you leave me a comment down below, and I hope you guys are subscribing. Bye.